Hello YouTube and welcome back to our channel. So today we want to hello YouTube and welcome back to our vlog. So this vlog we want to make a review for this Ninja. So first see this cat. This cat also want to help us. See. So we want to open this brake lever and clutch lever. Because we want to change it to align one. But before we open this, for information, we have received our order. This alloy handlebar 37mm. For information, Ninja 250R 2013 to 2017. The fork size is 37mm. 37mm. But for the 2018 model, it's bigger, but I don't know the size. So we also ordered this carbon fiber loop tank pad. Pro grip. Let's continue to open this brake. Now we use this spanner size 10 to open this bracket. Anti-clockwise. The brake lever nuts is still tight. Maybe we rarely open this. So to make your work more easy, use another T bracket. So to make your work easier, use another Y spanner at the back to hold the nuts from becoming sleepy. It's long actually. So remove both of the nuts and screw, and then you can unplug the lever like this. So for the left side, the clutch side, it's also use 10 size of spanner, and then same method as the brake one. Anti-clockwise, and then put this Y spanner under now the screw unplug. Make sure you put at the right place. okay, before it's disappear. It's a problem, okay. Okay, before you remove this lever, you must make sure this clutch. So you must make sure the clutch cable, okay, unplug. So the step is you must, okay, open this. So you must open the clutch cable like this, okay. See, still anti-clockwise. Okay. Okay, you must, okay, open until the clutch wire can, okay, get out like this, okay. And then just pull out the clutch. What is stuck here? Okay, so the clutch now is out from the clutch lever, okay. Broken. And finally we successfully open this, both of the clutch and the brake lever, okay. Now as you can see, now I have some spirit, okay, to bring both of these to the dealership and buy a new one. Maybe we will buy an original like this or adjustable one. So let's check out. So next we want to make a bend test to a, okay, brake lever Ninja 250R, okay. This is a bend test just for testing, okay. If this can return back to an original, okay, place, so we don't need to make a replacement. So let's try. Slowly, brother, slowly. Okay, we don't want to snap that. Wow, so successful. The brake lever is strong and can bend to original place, okay. So
Save money.
And we have saved our budget. Oh god, this exhaust looks terrible. As you can see now, it's a tiny hole here, okay, a tiny hole here. Oh god, we need to, okay, maybe later we need to, okay, unplug this exhaust and send it to make some repair at exhaust pipe house, maybe maybe, okay, tomorrow. Okay, so next step we want to bend, okay, a cat tail, okay. Okay, so my cat tail is not straight. We need to, okay, make it straight back like this, like this. Oh no, I'm only joking, okay. Please don't strike me, okay. Leave a nice comment.